Let's go, guys.
Alright, Donald, calm down.
Ben, you're a bit quiet tonight, mate.
No, he's not.
Do that again, Ben.
Do what?
The Darth Vader.
I want doing Darth Vader as Darth Vader in the lobby.
Ben, you're gonna pass out, bro.
Let's get a toaster celebration, get a glass out.
We can do this until we pass out. Do you know in year 7 I did breakdancing today in front of the school? I thought I was sick at the time.
Why are they running around?
I was absolutely shit. I used to practice in my back garden like a madman.
You got layer on me, I'm about to die.
Yeah, that's alright.
Oh, fuck off, Obi-Wan, you twat.
So uncivilized.
Alright, Ben, calm down.
I get mad.
These characters that shoot are so annoying.
The shooters are
Mando's
doing
up there.
my head in.
I know, same. Just give yourself time to regen. Come on, Ben, you take him.
I'm being shot by a fucking Solo. Have you guys seen Solo?
Yeah, he's with me.
No.
He's
Is
dead.
it bad? No, I mean, have you seen the film Solo?
Oh, I have, yeah.
Is it bad?
No, it's alright.
Oh, this camping bastard is up. I'm gonna zap him.
I'm gonna go and get him.
Why did that? Oh, nice.
Oh, he won again.
We did.
Yeah, easy peasy, bro.
Let's go.
We're unstoppable tonight, lads.
Now you've said that, we're gonna lose.
Sam got 16 kills but came like bottom of our leaderboard. That's funny.
Mad, isn't it? Because I stole most of my kills.
Assisted Sam.
So many people stole my kills as well, to be fair. Especially Darth Vader, what a dickhead.
Ben, would you be a porn star?
Would I?
Yeah, given the chance.
I mean, I already technically am, so I just don't have a camera.
Do you go by Ben Jessup, or is there like another name you go by?
He's the cock paralyzer.
Ted Mosby.
Oh, nice.
All them really good ones where it's got like, I'm your plumber, and the next thing they're getting down for business.
Do love a good plot, don't you?
I
watched them unironically. Just like,
oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
Alright, I suddenly pulled them all towards me, boys. Oh, nice. Obi-Wan pushed him away.
what would be your porn name then, Adam?
Probably just Ashley, Lightning McQueen.
I'm fast as fuck, boy.
Ka-chow.
Ciao. That's what I say when it happens. I've got a retribution that charged up the choke. Almost.
I've got Palpatine and Maul on, fuck's sake. Assisted Ben Jessup.
There is no escape.
Well, that boys.
Assisted Adam Fixer.
Yeah, boys. That was us from the Force choke. Wasn't it?
Assisted Ben Jessup. Just all the assists in the world. Just waiting for that assisted by Ben Jessup. What? Just waiting for that assisted by Ben Jessup. Assisted by Adam Fixer. Oh, finally.
Assisted Sam Bates.
Assisted Sam Bates with the Force choke.
Recalibrate murderous instinct. You're only halfway there.
Who did I just kill there?
Previous thing. You assisted me.
Oh, alright, sorry, man.
Sorry, bro.
I've got Vader over here who needs a bit of help.
Ooh.
Uh-oh, I'm being choked, boys.
A surprisingly civilized climax, as Obi-Wan Kenobi proves once more why triumph
It's a
is his
climax.
specialty.
I don't think anyone climaxed here, Ben.
You'd be surprised.
I did.
Katie said she's in her room feeling quite hot.
Oh yeah, you are.
Let me just come fix the heating.
Hehe.
Hey. Oh god. Do you? So Ben, when you unironically look up plots for porn, right? Do you type in like the kind of plot you're looking for?
I don't know. It's only when I come across them. I don't like go out there trying to find the.
I do quite fancy a plumbing incident tonight.
I don't think that comes up as category plumber.
Outcome our next contest alive are the maintenance droids.
Oh, Adam, we can ledge, bro.
Cue the very sad music.
I assisted him as well. Oh shit!
Oh! Someone ledged Anakin.
We both.
Let's ledge him. Should see this epic ledge. Watch this.
Whoa!
I ledged two of them.
Early
This is Adam fixed it. Assisted Ben
Yeah,
Jessup.
you did.
Adam just runs in and steals all the kills. That's his tactic.
I don't know what you're on about, boys. Look at them lining up for you here.
This is Adam fixed it. Oh my god. I just yeeted him off the edge.
It was Darth Vader as well.
Yeah, it was.
I'm on a 6 kill streak already, boys.
Alright, this is why. Because you're stealing all the kills, bro.
I'm not stealing any kills. I've ledged 2 at the start. Getting away.
Oh my.
Almost got ledged.
I did.
Oh, these guys gonna get it. Oh, sit down, boys. Sit down. Oh god. Oh, I'm ledged.
I sledged someone.
You can hear Sam's. I think it's Sam's.
Yeah, it's mine.
He's either got a fan going on or it's his PlayStation.
It's a PlayStation, man.
PlayStation Airlines. Then it's 3-on-1 here.
I'm on my way. Driving at 90 down these country lanes.
Singing to Tiny Dancer.
And I missed the way.
You make.
You make me feel.
And it's real.
And we watched the sunset
Over the castle.
On the hill.
like a Dark Lord of the Sith.
Right, I'm gonna come off as well.
Alright, bye, bro.
See you later.
See you later, man.
Love you loads.
Miss you. Love you too, man.
Make sure you put that in the video of showing our affection.
Of course. There's nothing like some good old bonding.
Bondage.